morning, children. How are you? Okay, I think all are fine. Children, every class we discuss IIT chemistry in 7th class. What is first unit, children? Basic technology. Basic technology. In previous class we learned types of the reactions. How many types we have, children? 9 types. First one, chemical composition. What is first reaction, children? Chemical combination reaction. Second reaction, chemical decomposed reaction. Third reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Fourth reaction, chemical double displacement reaction. Fifth reaction, redox reaction. Oxidation reaction as redox reaction. Seventh reaction, redox reaction. Next, decomposition reaction. Next, ninth one, decomposition reaction. Previous class we discussed oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. What is oxidation? First you say what is chemical combination reaction, Nana? What is chemical combination reaction? Two or more atoms or elements or compounds combine to form new substance. That means only one unit product. That is called chemical combination reaction. So chemical combination reaction means two or more different atoms or elements combine to form new product, new substance or new compound is known as chemical combination reaction. Second reaction what, children? Second reaction what? Chemical decomposition reaction. Decomposed reaction. We will take one substance, one compound divided into different type of one compound divided into two or more atoms or elements or compounds is known as or is called as chemical decomposition reaction. Third reaction what, children? Chemical displacement reaction. What is chemical displacement reaction? Highly reactive element replaced by less reactive element or less reactive element replaced by more reactive element. We learned reactivity order of metals and reactivity order of non-metals also. All of you learn properly, Nana. Next type what, children? Chemical displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reaction means mutual exchanging of ion the reactant side. Reactant side. So how many types chemical double displacement reaction, children? Two types. First precipitation reaction. First one neutralization reaction. Next precipitation reaction. Neutralization reaction means acid react with base to form salt plus water. All of you practice all examples also, children. Next second reaction what, children? Precipitation reaction. What is precipitation reaction? Two aqueous solutions combine to form white precipitate. White precipitate is known as precipitation reaction. So many examples we learned. Those examples you practice, children. Now we are discuss seventh reaction. Seventh reaction what, children? Redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction means now before reactions, before class what you learned, children? What is reduction? What is oxidation? Oxidation reaction means to lose of electron is called oxidation reaction. We discuss 4 points. First, lose of electron. Second point, addition of oxygens. Third point, removal of hydrogens. Next point, increasing order of their energy state. Increasing order of oxidation states. We discuss some examples of potassium. We to lose 1 electron to get positive charge. Magnesium to lose 2 electrons to get positive charge. Next, carbon react with oxygen to form CO2. Next, second, redox reaction. Reduction means what is reduction? To gain of electron is called reduction reaction. To gain of electrons. Next point, addition of hydrogen. Next point, removal of oxygen. Next, decreasing order of oxidation states. We discussed some examples also. Fluorine, if gain of 2 electron to get -1 charge. Chlorine to gain of 1 electron to get minus charge. Oxygen to gain of 2 electrons to get -2 charge. Nitrogen to gain of 3 electrons to get -3 charge. So one reacts, addition of hydrogen, one reacts with said no, N2 plus H2 is raised to NH3. We do by mistake NH2, this is unstable now, NH 3. This is addition of hydrogen. Reduction reaction example. Reduction reaction example. Next redox reaction. Redox reaction very simple nana. Redox reaction. What is oxidation state? What is oxidation reaction? You know? Very good. Lose of electrons is called oxidation reaction. What is reduction reaction? Gain of electrons is called reduction reaction. Redox reaction means both oxidation states and oxidation and redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. What is the redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction takes place. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction. One reaction is called redox reaction. Redox reaction. What is oxidation? Oxidation means lose of electron. What is reduction? If gain of electrons takes place simultaneously in one reaction is called as redox reaction. For example, sodium react with chlorine. Sodium having positive ion, no? In sodium to lose one electron to get Na plus charge. In chlorine to gain of one electron to get negative charge. Here positive, here negative. Sodium react with chlorine and cation anion react with chlorine to form sodium chloride ionic compound. Sodium chloride ionic compound. Two ions combine to form sodium chloride. Sodium chloride here in sodium to lose of one electron to get positive. In chlorine to gain of one electron to get negative. So here sodium chloride. In this reaction, redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Here, single form oxidation number 0. Single form oxidation number 0. Na plus Cl is raised to NaCl. Here single form oxidation number 0. Here 0. We discuss some rules. No, elementary forms are single forms. Elementary forms oxidation number always 0. In sodium oxidation number 0. In chlorine oxidation number 0. In this reaction find the oxidation number of each element. So here sodium oxidation number +1. Here chlorine oxidation number -1. So here to gain of electron, to lose of electron to get positive charge. So here 0 to +1. Which reaction? Oxidation takes place. Oxidation means lose of electron. Oxidation means if lose of electron to get positive charge. So 0 to +1 oxidation takes place. Here 0 to -1. Here chlorine to chlorine. Reactant side, product side. Here reduction takes place. Reduction means gain of electrons. This reaction is called redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction. Is called redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction. Here general single element oxidation number Na. Chlorine oxidation, this is oxidation number 0. Here oxidation number 0. Here sodium, if lose of one electron to get positive +1, chlorine gain of electrons -1. So here oxidation, sodium Na 0 to plus 1 oxidation takes place, 0 to minus 1 reduction takes place. Okay Nana, do you understood? Okay, so what is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction is called redox reaction. This is examples of example 1. Example 1, sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, in sodium 2 lose a 1 electron to get positive. So here 0 to positive oxidation. Next in chlorine, to gain of 1 electron, Cl minus reduction. Oxidation. Next reduction. Oxidation, reduction. What is redox reaction? In given reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. Next example we discuss now. Next example, C plus O2. Second example, C plus O2. C plus O2 is piecewise to CO2. First given equation, find the oxidation number of each element. So here carbon single element oxidation number 0, element form oxidation number also 0. Here carbon oxidation number plus 4, oxygen minus 2. Carbon oxidation number plus minus 2. So here 0 to plus 4. Which reaction takes place? Oxidation. Oxidation means lose of electron. Here 0 to plus 4 means carbon here reactant side oxidation number 0. Compared to product side plus 4. So oxidation. Here oxygen 0 to minus 2. 0 to minus 2. Oxygen to oxygen. Reduction takes place. Okay Nana? We understood? Third example. Next example we have discussed now. C plus 1 is reduced to CO2. Next CaO. Okay, two examples over. Next H plus Cl. Hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. And the third example. H plus Cl is reduced to HCl. H plus Cl is reduced to HCl. So here hydrogen oxidation number 0, chlorine oxidation number 0. Here hydrogen plus 1 minus 1. Here 0 to plus 1 oxidation takes place. Next chlorine to this one reduction takes place. This is redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction is called redox reaction. Next, another example, third example, Fu2O3. Third example, Fu2O3. Another example, Fu2O3 react with carbon monoxide, react with CO. Fu2O3 is plus CO carbon monoxide. Fu2O3 react with carbon monoxide to form Fe plus CO2. Fe plus CO2. Fe plus 3CO2. Here 3 carbons 3. Okay Nana? Here 3 oxygens. Here 3 are 6 oxygens. 3 to the 6 oxygens. 2 irons. This equation is balanced. Another example. I think fourth example now. Okay. Very good. Here first find the oxidation number of individual atom. Here fluorine, iron oxidation number plus 2. Oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Iron oxidation number plus 2. Oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Here carbon monoxide and carbon oxidation number minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. Here iron oxidation number 0, single form, elementary form. So here carbon plus 4, here minus 2. In monoxide oxidation number plus 2. In carbon dioxide or carbon oxidation number plus 4, keep in your mind. In monoxide carbon oxidation number plus 2. Here carbon oxidation number plus 4. Okay. Next find the oxidation number of each element, iron plus 2 minus 2. if lose of electron, gain of electron. To lose of electron. To lose of electron, oxidation. Next here, Fe2 0. Fe2 0. Here, if lose of electron, here to gain of electron, reduction takes place. Reduction takes place. Gain of electron, reduction. Lose of electron, oxidation. Reduction and oxidation. This is also redox reaction. Now before class we learned what is chemical combination reaction, chemical decomposition reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Now one reaction we take now, for example, chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction, first reaction CaO plus H2. CaO plus H2O is gives rise to CaOH twice. This is chemical combination reaction or not? Say yes or no. What is chemical combination reaction? Two or more atoms or elements or compounds combine to form new single product is known as single substance or compound is known as chemical combination reaction. This is chemical combination reaction. Here, for example, A plus B is gives rise to AB. Chemical combination reaction. In chemical combination reaction, first find the oxidation number of non-each element. So here calcium plus 2, oxygen minus 2. Here hydrogen plus 1 minus 2. Here calcium plus 2, hydrogen plus 1. So here calcium reactant side calcium oxidation number plus 2. Product side also calcium oxidation number plus 2. Here reactant side oxygen oxidation number minus 2. Here product side oxidation number minus 2. Next here H2 hydrogen oxidation number reactant side plus 1. Product side also plus 1. There is no change in any oxidation state. There is no the above reaction. There is no change in oxidation state. Oxidation state. So the therefore all combination reactions are not redox reaction. Not redox reaction. All combination reactions are not redox reaction. Keep in your mind. Next example, we take chemical combination reaction. This is chemical combination reaction. In chemical combination reaction, so there is no change in exchanging ions. There is no change in oxidation states. That's why all combination reactions are not redox reactions. Next we take chemical decomposition reaction. What is second reaction, children? Chemical decomposition reaction. Second reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. Keep in your mind, all combination reactions are not redox reactions. Next, second example we take chemical decomposition reaction. Anybody say one example? Chemical decomposition reaction. Anybody say example? Very good. Second, chemical decomposition reaction. CaCO3 is gives rise to CaO plus CO2. This is chemical decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction. Find the oxidation number of reactant side and product side. Here calcium plus 2, carbon minus 2. This is chemical decomposition reaction. In chemical decomposition reaction, there is any here calcium oxidation number reactant side and product side C1 oxidation states in calcium oxidation number plus 2, carbon plus 4, oxide minus 2. Here reactant side calcium oxidation number plus 2, product side also plus 2. Next carbon oxidation number reactant side plus 4, product side also plus 4. Oxide oxidation number minus 2. There is no exchanging of oxidation states. Therefore, all decomposition reactions are not redox reaction. Non-redox reaction. What is redox reaction? What is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one reaction is called redox reaction. We have discussed so many reactions, 4 examples also. First we take, before we take chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction, they are chemical combination reactions are not redox reaction. So yes, the second reaction, decomposition reaction. All decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. Keep in your mind now. Okay, next reaction. Third reaction, what children? Third reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Allow you write down notes. Third reaction, chemical displacement reaction. Anybody say an example chemical displacement reaction? Chemical displacement reaction. Anybody say one example? Okay, third chemical displacement reaction. Zn plus HCl. Zn plus HCl is pieced raised to ZnCl2 plus HCl. Here 2. Zn plus HCl is pieced raised to ZnCl2 plus H2. This reaction is called chemical displacement reaction. This reaction is called chemical displacement reaction. In chemical displacement reaction, first you find the oxidation number of in this reaction. Here zinc single form oxidation number 0. Here hydrogen oxidation number plus 1. Here chlorine oxidation number minus 1. Here oxidation number of zinc plus 2, chlorine minus 1. Elementary form oxidation number 0. First we take zinc 0 to Zn. So see once reactant side and product side exhibit different oxidation states. So in this reaction takes place reduction and oxidation also. So here Zn reactant side 0 oxidation exhibit 0 oxidation number. In Zn exhibit oxidation number 0. This is reactant side. In Zn oxidation number of plus 2 in product side. So here plus 0 to plus 2 to lose of electron to get positive charge. Oxidation takes place. Next we take elementary form 0 to hydrogen form we take plus 1 to 0. Plus 1 to 0 reduction takes place. Oxidation and reduction. Another example we know children. For example, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate react with iron. Copper sulfate react with iron. What is product children? What is product? Iron sulfate plus copper. This is all of you write down notes now. This is example 1. What is this reaction? Chemical displacement reaction. Chemical displacement reaction. What is first reaction? In this reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place in simultaneously in one reaction is called as redox reaction. So this reaction exhibit redox reaction or not? Very good, redox reaction. Here copper oxidation number plus 2, sulfur plus 6, oxygen minus 2. Here iron 0. Here iron oxidation number plus 2. reaction also redox reaction. What is final conclusion, children? So all redox reactions are all displacement reactions are redox reactions, but redox reaction not displacement reaction. Okay, keep in your mind. First, before we take chemical combination reaction, next chemical decomposition reaction. In chemical combination reactions are all chemical combination reactions are not redox reactions. And second reaction, chemical decomposition reaction we take. Chemical decomposition reaction, what you find? All chemical decomposition reaction not redox reaction, but all chemical displacement reactions are redox reactions. Therefore, all chemical displacement, all chemical displacement reactions are redox reactions. Redox reaction. But all redox reactions are not displacement reactions. See children, all chemical displacement reactions are redox reactions, but all redox reactions are not displacement reactions. Keep in your mind now. Okay, what is redox reaction, children? What is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously on one reaction is called as redox reaction. Redox reaction means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. After we discussed, for example, how we find oxidation and reduction. First, given equation, find the oxidation numbers. After that, in given equation, compare reactant side and product. Oxidation takes place or reduction takes place. See, for example, 0 oxidation will convert to +2. That is called rules of electrons. Oxidation takes place. For example, +2 0. So that gain of electrons to get negative charge. That means reduction takes place. So oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in given reaction is called redox reaction. First, before we take chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination means 2 or more atoms or elements combine to form new substance. New compounds is known as chemical combination reaction. Chemical combination reaction we discuss one example, CaO plus H2 is rise to CaOH twice. In that reaction there is no exchange of ions. There is no change in oxidation states. That's why all chemical combination reactions are not redox reactions. Next reaction we take next reaction, second reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction, one example you say children, CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. In that reaction also there is no change in oxidation state, reactant side and product side. So that's why all decomposition reactions are not redox reactions. But here we take displacement reactions. In chemical displacement reactions all chemical displacement reactions are redox reactions, but all redox reactions are not displacement reactions. Okay children, all of you listen properly, write down notes. Okay, after that learn properly. You should thoroughly practice examples, equations. You should thoroughly practice equations also children. Okay, see you next class. Thank you children.